Start the server. The screen is visible for you guys, correct?
Yes, sir. It is, sir. It is visible, sir.
Start the server. Today we're going to see how to pass the environment variables in the Jenkins and also Jenkins parameterizer projects, like how we can pass the parameters. Both we'll discuss today. So Jenkins allows the developers to pass the parameters to the build job that will be used inside the job execution. Below the some of the various parameters that you can pass, that is string parameter, Boolean parameter, choice, credentials, files. It is a multiple ways are there. Those how we can able to do that. That we'll discuss today. Then post that we have a upstream downstream jobs will be there. So I'll tell you guys to how to do this one because we require 4 or 5 jobs to be created for this upstream downstream jobs. Okay, at the end of covering up this both, I'll then teach this upstream downstream jobs how it will work. Okay. So what is this upstream downstream jobs means? One job depends upon another job. For example, A, B, C, D, 4 jobs are there. You can assume that when A job is successful, then automatically B job will trigger. B job is successful, automatically C will be triggered. C is completed successfully, D will trigger. In case, assume that C was failed, A also completed successfully, B also successful, C was failed, then D won't run at all. Why? Because the C is a continuation of D, right? C was failed, D it won't go. That's a upstream downstream jobs. An upstream job is a configured project that triggers a project as its execution. Downstream job is a configured project that is triggered as part of the execution of a pipeline. Upstream and downstream jobs help you to configure the sequence of execution for a different operations, and hence you can orchestrate the flow of execution. We can configure one or more projects as a downstream jobs in the Jenkins. Okay, let me log into the first. Then post that we have a views will be the Jenkins views. Views in Jenkins allows us to organize the jobs and contents into a tabbed categories, which are displayed on the main of the dashboard. As a Jenkins instance expands, it's logical to create an associated views for appropriate groups and categories. The default view type available in Jenkins is the list view and build monitor view. Okay, so that's we're gonna see. Okay, so I need to go to manage Jenkins and to change the this URL so that it will be work faster.
Seems Jenkins is too slow, sir.
No, sir. This was fast only, but IP address was different, right? Every day IP is changing, right? That's the reason.
Dynamic because of dynamic IP.
Yeah. We can take static, but it will be costly.
Yes, correct.
System. So here we can come little bit down. This IP need to be changed. Save, apply and save. Now it's faster. Okay. So let me do one thing. 2 jobs CI with Git DevOps 6 p.m. Okay. One more job I'm going to create now. At least 3 jobs are required. Job 3. I'll just give the name freestyle project. Okay. Job 3. Build steps, execute shell hash exclamatory slash bin bash. DAT date, apply and save. So here total 3 jobs are there. I'll take example of any one of the job. This job I'll go with configure shell IQ. Okay, this is correct. Trigger for SCM polling. This is okay. So here something to updated. Able to see guys this option. Any one of the job we can pick up under the configure. If you come little bit down, this project is parameterized is there. Can you guys able to see this? We can check this box, add parameter. We can see choice parameter is there. I can take a choice parameter as a choice, choice choices. Then I can put my choice Java, maybe Docker, HTTPD, Java, Python 3, PHP. Like this, I can update some of the packages list. Then I can put a description. Please select the project, select the package, select the choices. To install. Then this name we need to take and we need to update in the build steps. So this script is there, and the script we need to update. So yum sudo yum install -y $choices. I'm recalling that variable name. Okay, then apply and save. If I do, so now you guys see the option build with parameters option is there. If I click on this, it will ask my choices. Earlier we didn't saw this option. Now only this option is reflecting. Correct. So then we can select the choice, whatever the choice we want, we can select the choice. Like for example, I want HTTP. I can choose, click on build now. Then this should execute and this should install now that package. Installed. Let me verify that. Console output. Or the last will go. Can you guys able to see this here? This is my package, right? M install -y HTTPD. See, HTTPD package installed. Successfully installed. Like this, we can able to verify. So if I want different package, I want Docker. Select Docker and build. Nothing to do. Docker is already installed. See, like this. If at all you want different one, I want PHP. Okay, PHP is installed now. See? PHP package is installed.
Sir, which option you chose to view that? Which are all those packages are installed? You right click, something you did, no?
Yes, down arrow, console output.
Okay.
Down arrow is reflecting small icon, then console output. If we click on that, it will going to show that.
So you have to right click, no, sir?
This one, we need to click on that. Right click or left click, any one of the click we need to do. If not,
Okay.
you can click on this value and you can see the console output here. From here also we can go. See, parameters are reflecting here. The parameter what I chosen. Timings, how much time it took. Get a build data. If anything data build date from here, it couldn't see that. Okay, but I need to remove this because if I added this, then it won't work here. Let me configure. I'll disable this feature. These parameters I disabled. Build steps. This one I'll give different package name or something. Maybe Docker I'll give. Apply and save. So I'll change the name of this project to instead of git CI/CD, I'll just give job 1. Then this project job 1, job 3. This one I'll make it a job 2. Rename option is there. I'll make it a job 2. Now if you see the sequence, job 1, job 2, job 3, like that is there. Okay. What I need to do means in job 1 configure, I have a git should be required for this one. I have enabled the git. Okay, then we have the script is there. That's fine. Then I'll go to job 2 configure. Here also git is there. It's okay. Git is not there. Okay. I didn't configure the git, but shell script I put up. That's okay. Then apply and save. But here configure build triggers are there. In the build triggers, can you guys see the option build after other projects are built? We discussed everything under the build triggers, build trigger builds. We discussed build after other projects are built. We discussed it, and hook trigger, poll SM also triggered, critical triggered. But this one is didn't discuss it. So now I'm in job 2. Remember, guys, I'm in job 2. Above the job 2, what is there? Job 1 only there, right? So I'll choose job 1. Then apply and save. Same way, I'll go to job 3. Above the job 3, what is there? Job 2 will be there. I'll configure job 2. Build triggers, build other projects are built, job 2. Then apply and save. Now what I'll do means, I'll go to first job, job 1, configure, figure. I'll choose poll SM also. Because if I make the changes right, I should get the email. I mean, I should get the job should be run successfully. H bar 2 star 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 4 star. Correct. Apply and save. Now what I'll do means I'll get into that particular repo. This might be okay, than this one GitHub. What is the repository name? What I given? 7M repo. Okay. So now I'll do one thing, guys. I'll make some changes in any one of the file. Okay, but my job should run now. All the jobs should run. But how to see that? That's a problem. Okay. Before getting to that, let me show you that there's a plus new view will be there here, right? We can click on new view. View also not there. Okay. Manage Jenkins. We need to install the plugin. Plugins. Let me update all the plugins, whatever required. Then manage Jenkins. Plugins. Available plugins. I want to install two plugins. Build monitor view. This one, build monitor view. Then build pipeline view. Pipeline view. These two should be installed. Okay, installed. Now if I go here, there's a plus symbol is here, right? You can see this plugin here, monitor view. Select monitor view, click, okay, name we need to give, right? Build monitor view. Means for viewing this all the jobs we require some view, right? For that I'm creating build monitor view. Then same name I'll give here as well, build monitor view. Then select all the jobs, instead of that enable jobs only, job 1, job 2, job 3. All three jobs I'll select. Then I think everything is correct. Apply and okay. Now look at, guys, here ash 11, ash 8, job 3, nothing is there, different color is there. Now so I'll modify and I'll commit the changes. Post this. Job 1 will trigger. Look at 6 minutes ago is there, right? Hash 11 becomes 12. Okay, after a while. Then same way, once job 1 is successful, job 2 will successful. Once job 2 is successful, then job 3 should successful. That's what we need to verify. Let's wait for and we'll verify that. We'll wait for a while. Unless we can refresh it here, we can see that whether it's triggered or not. But within 2 minutes it will trigger. Within 2 minutes it should trigger. It's not triggered. Any issue? Okay, I'll do one thing else. Job 1 I'll trigger manually. Then post that we'll see whether it's triggered or not. 4, 12, 13. Okay, just now it's triggered. After a while, job should to trigger now. We'll wait for that.
Job 2 triggered, sir.
Job to trigger. Then we'll wait for job 3 now. Able to see job 1 I triggered, 2 automatically triggered, 3 automatically triggered. Now everything is green.
But sir, why not this job one was triggered automatically? You did that on manually, no?
I triggered manually. I'm just verifying that like what was happened to this one. Let me see that 12th. See 12th was triggered, but in the meantime itself I triggered I think 13th one. Because 2 minutes waiting period, right? I didn't wait it 2 minutes seems to be. See 12th one SEM change is there automatically triggered. But this 13th one, I think I triggered this one. See 13th I triggered, but 12th automatically happened from the SEM change. It was working, but I think I didn't wait it for 2 minutes. Immediately I triggered the job.
Okay.
That's about the views one. Then as a Jenkins instance expands, it's logical to create the associate views in appropriate groups and categories. One more also their view. That's also I'm gonna show. One I shown here. One more will be here. If I go back, dashboard, we can see plus symbol again. Another one is pipeline view. This one. CI/CD pipeline view. Then create. I'll just give CI/CD pipeline. Build same title. Initial job is job 1. Standard cards. Trigger most essential builds. Okay. Here are the pipeline steps. No. Everything is correct. Then apply and OK. Can you guys see? Like this it will open. Now job 1 I need to trigger. 2, 3 should automatically happen. Then what I'll do means let me edit some files here. Something should be committed here, so I'll do some commit. Then we'll wait for 2 minutes. After did the changes 2 minutes. You need to wait for 2 minutes. That means 12:48 is then 12:51. Oh sorry, 1:51. The job should trigger. We'll wait for that. Even if you have a manual run also there, run option is there right here. We can run this, but we'll wait for that anyway. Let me refresh. Still not yet triggered. Or else we cannot wait means we can trigger the first one. Those will trigger the second ones. I think I'll trigger. I'll only run the first one. Let's we'll see. I only triggered first one. Those should trigger second one, the next things automatically. First one successful. Now second one should trigger automatically. We'll wait. It's not triggered second one. It was showing it was executed. Let me see. The 2 is triggered. Okay. Okay. This is the problem. I selected the wrong entry. If recently successful means it won't trigger. That's the reason. Let me rerun it again. Now 17. This one not sure. Let's will verify. See, second one is triggered now. Once second is successful, then third will trigger. Job 2 is successful. What is the time? Let me see the console output. Look at started by upstream project job 1 build number 17. It's waiting for quiet period. Once the quiet period completes, then it should successful. Okay, successful. We can go back and we can verify. This should show all 3 green now. See? Like this is the things will work. Jenkins Views will work. There's a pipeline also we discussed now. Pipeline is a Jenkins pipeline is a suite of Jenkins feature installed in the plugins which enables implementations of continuous delivery pipeline, which are automated process for getting up software from source control through a development to end users. Every change your software goes through a complex process on its way to being released. This process involves in building a software in a reliable and repeatable manner, as well as progressing the built software through a multiple stages of the testing and deployment. So in the next class, what we discussed means we need to write a Jenkins file. So in Jenkins, we left with the two concepts, writing a Jenkins file and master slave architecture. Maybe that we'll discuss in the next class and we can wind up Jenkins. Okay, writing a Jenkins file like this code will be there. We need to write a code. Then we have a master slave architecture left out. If we discuss this, Jenkins will be completed. Any questions on the topics which we discussed today, please let me know.
So the only thing, those jobs we didn't go ahead and triggered by itself, no, automatically. Only that is my question, sir.
No, sir, it was triggered automatically, but we could not able to wait for 2 minutes, right? That's the reason I triggered manually. That's it.
But in companies, it will happen automatically, no, sir?
It will happen automatically.
Okay.
No waiting time.
If something goes wrong in one of the jobs, it will stop triggering for next job.
Correct. It will fail and it won't continue until it fixes the failed one.
Then if some say there are 4 jobs are running and something goes wrong with third one, it won't go with the fourth one. So how to check that something has gone wrong with third job, like any logs or anything we have to check, sir?
Console output logs are there, na? We can use console output logs to verify that. Console output logs will be there, right? We can use console output logs like this. Sir, if you see, you said second job failed means third job won't run. Okay. Second
Correct.
job output I need to see. I can go to console output here, job. I can, what are the top triggered, right? I can do console output. I can verify it here. What is wrong?
Okay. Okay.
If something wrong means it won't trigger. Let me, I'll do
Correct.
one.
Correct.
I'll do some modifications here to fail that.
So you're recreating the issue.
I'm only creating the issue. Job 1 will trigger, then automatically job 2 should trigger now. Okay, we'll see. If job 2 failed means job 3 won't run.
Yes, correct, sir.
Job 1 just now, but job 2 moment ago is reflecting. We'll see. Hash 13 become hash 14. This one.
Yes, correct. At least 1 minute you have to wait, no, sir? Where not 2 minutes?
1 or 2 minutes. The quiet period also there, right? That's we need to wait. See, it's failed.
Yeah, correct. Exactly. Yeah.
Now we need to verify why it's failed. Console output. See, what is saying that? It could not able to find the command bin bash.
Correct. Exactly. Yes. Got it. Sir. Got it. Yeah.
Like this, we need to wait for that.
Okay, sir. Got it. Fine.
Okay, cool. Then next class we'll see how to write the effective Docker file.
In Jenkins, no, sir. How to write that down in Jenkins?
Correct.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Have a nice evening, sir. Thank you. Bye. Contact.